Money laundering, a terrifying game where criminals turn dirty money into legal assets in just a few steps. And here's how they do it. First, collecting dirty money. Where does the money come from? Drug trafficking, illegal gambling, fraud. The money is hot, can't be spent right away. And this is where they dive into shady operations. Second, layering and hiding the source. The system gets tricked. Money is shuffled through intermediaries, shell companies in tax havens, and bank accounts across multiple countries. A tangled web is created to clean the money, using art, real estate, and even NFTs. Third, legalizing the income. Once the money is clean, they invest it into legitimate businesses like restaurants, laundromats, or consulting firms. The profits from these businesses become clean money with no suspicion attached. Fourth, leveraging technology and legal loopholes. Criminals now use digital technology, cryptocurrency, and international legal loopholes to further their schemes. Fake documents are a powerful tool, as seen in the $3 billion Singapore case. Fifth, erasing the traces. Finally, they wipe out every trace. Anonymous accounts, shell companies, and other techniques are used to erase all connections to the illegal origins of the money. In just a few simple steps, they've turned dirty money into legitimate assets. The world of money laundering is far more complex than you think. To protect ourselves and the community, we need to raise awareness about this issue. Share this video to help spread the word.